Light travels in straight lines, at least in a universe without gravity.
What Einstein predicted is not metaphor, it's fabric.
Gravity curves the very stage on which the universe plays.
When the source, lens, and observer align just so, light doesn't just bend, it wraps itself around the lens, forming a ring of light. From one galaxy, multiple reflections. Gravity becomes not just a force, but a cosmic projector.
Gravitational lenses are telescopes of the cosmos, unlocking views of a universe otherwise invisible. Gravitational lenses don't just show us light, they measure the unseen. To understand the cosmos is to see how even the most fleeting light is shaped by invisible giants. This is gravity's grand design.